G'day! In today's video I've got a HP 14EK that's not powering. I suspect a damaged charging port, being that's how we're looking over here. So I want to crack this open and have a bit of a look. Don't know if there's any screws hidden under here, so we'll just see how we go. Funnily enough, this doesn't power. I've actually got a 14EK motherboard floating around. So in this particular instance, I should be able to still help the customer, even if there's something a bit more major going on with their system. Now that removed. And there. No, that's going to live there. So I'd say just those 4 screws are holding the bottom cover on. There we go, bam, I'm ready. First thing I want to do is plug in power up here and have a bit of a look. I suspect I may have to replace this. Hopefully it's just damaged on here, which I should be able to tell by plugging the charger in and hooking up a multimeter. So I've plugged in, got no lights going there. So now I want to test out if I can unplug it. There we go, if I can wiggle that back enough. Now I want to see if this charging port is okay. Put this on an earth, put on a shielding here. If I push this pin, 19 volt, 19 volt, 18.9 volt, damn. So at this point, it's not looking like the charger is the issue, or the port, because power is going through there just fine. Disconnect the battery. Plug power in again. I've now got a charge light. Or power light anyway, right here. So now I'm curious if I plug that battery back in. I've still got the light on the end here. Open it up slightly. Hit the power button. We have fan spin. We have an amber light on the side over here. Have nothing on the screen just yet. We'll leave it slightly covered. Fan spin has stopped. Power light is still on. But I've disconnected the battery, so the BIOS may have just cracked it for a little bit. So I'll give it a little bit longer. There we go. Oh, just came up with a message. We've got fan spin over here. I would say we're going to start. There we go, HP. So sometimes on these HPs I just find disconnecting the battery can be a potential solution to fixing it. While I've got it open, I'm just going to give it a dust blowout over here and then I'll try it one more time. So have a quick blast of the air compressor. I'm going to just put it all back together. While it's open, I recommend tightening up these screws as they do become loose. Go. They're all pretty good. Now from here, should be right to put this on. Click, 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 click. Unscrew. 2, 3, and 4. Done. So that's got one HP 14EK booting up once more. Hope that helps, and see you later. Bye.